YouTube mechanics gang. We've had an MOT fail. A few little odds and sods, but mainly a bottom arm and a track rod. Some of the advisories are for the other bottom arm. A set of drop links and a slightly perished tyre, but not too worried about any of that. Need to get the car through the MOT today. So, bottom arm gang, let's go. Got the car, so we can get it done, get the car through the MOT, get the kid back to college on his own. Get him fed up with driving him already. Love you, Liam. Just driven round in circles for 5 minutes to get myself positioned for the most amount of sun for the day. Here we are, we'll jack her up, get the wheels off. Well, I might just do one side at a time actually. What have we got then? Ooh, crusty. So, 1, 2, let me see if I can get better on that. 2. Oh, she is crispy. And 3. And some crust. Make that 4 because the crispy horrible drop link one's got to come out as well. I didn't realise they were that bad, otherwise I would have bought them as well. It's got to go through today, so it didn't fail on that, so oh well, put it back. See what we can do. Come on, that was crusty as hell. Right, so you had the 2 big bolts were 17 mils. The castle nut on the ball joint was a 19 mil. And the crusty rusty drop link was a 12 mil. Happy days. It was a fight to get it out. Are you surprised? Clean this up a bit. And that is out with the old. That bush was completely ripped off, to be fair to the MOT guy. Wasn't saying a lot. And we're gonna go in with the new. Right, I want to see if I can do this in real time rather than on time lapse. Probably not. It's about a 5-handed job. Yeah, 3.5 to 5 hands, I'd say. There she goes. She got to go on a weird angle. It was a funny angle. And she got to rotate that in there. Get under and give her a little pulsky. There she goes. Alright. Bit of grease on the bolts. Just good practice, isn't it? That's one. I'd like to say that will be two. And that is the new arm in. Just gonna go around and do all the bolts up. Put the wheel back on. Get on with the other side. My old man always taught me to take some load. I'll put some load on the suspension as if it was on the ground when working on bottom arms. So when you do it all up and let the car down, it's all settles happy. So yeah, just put the jack under, banged it up a few pumps. That's one side back together. Relatively straightforward, apart from a little fight to get the actual arm out. Got the specific tools that I need out now. So I'm gonna chuck it back on time lapse, quickly do the other side, and come back when I report back about how to replace this track rod end link, whatever you want to call it. So that is bottom arms on a Peugeot 107. Easy job really. Bit of a faff just getting the arms in and out, crusty, dusty gaps and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna make another little video now on how to change a track rod end. Cheers guys.